As you can see, it's a gray mailer with black ring to the front and back. And this is the customer's logo on the middle. And this is the suffocation body. This is suffocation body. And this is the relevant recyclable logo. Please note that this mailer is not a normal mailer. It's recyclable mailer. It's made from recycled material. It's 100% recycled. Also, it complies with GIS certificate. GIS is global recycle standard. It's very famous all over the world, especially Europe market. And this is the GIS certificate. And this is GIS logo, global recycle standard. And this is our factory. Our factory has 24 years experience in packing feed. If you are interested in our batch, please follow us or contact us directly, and I will update the link content in lifetime.